A dog named Poppy, for no reason at all, has come all the way from Connecticut to New Jersey. Her life is filled with many things, like napping in strange places, training. Poppy, come! Good girl.
Jump, go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Poppy, drop. Good girl. Poppy, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Ready, paw? Good girl. Ready, paw? Okay, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Retrieving.
What is it? Ready? Poppy? Poppy. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Okay. Bring it back. Oh, bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Sit. Good girl. Sat on it, but... Okay. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Oh, jeez. You laid an egg.
Attack it! Seriously? Playing with things.
Bring it in. Oh! Woohoo! I got to do it again. Poppy, come on. I want to go inside. You gotta go in. No, I don't want you. Ah. Where are you going? I got 2 toys at once.
The popped ball in the tuna can. She's like, I'm hiding my tuna can. And peanut butter. Come on. I miss you so much.